Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a team on the Canva app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down the video, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Canva app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects. From here we have to go into the top left corner, then tap on settings. And here under personal we find the people. Tap on this, then we can create a team by tapping on this button, and then just continue this little presentation about how we can create a team. I recommend that you read everything basically, and also I have to mention that it isn't a free feature of the app, so you have to get a subscription to do this on long term. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.